Hi guys, it's me, Patiminori. こんにちは、パティミノリです。このビデオでは、道を聞かれた時に言われる英語のフレーズをシェアしていきます。In this video, I'm going to share most asked questions for directions. Before starting here, let's say we're walking in Ginza area and this person wants to know where Tokyo Station is. So let's get started. A. Do you know how to get to Tokyo Station? B. Do you know where Tokyo Station is? C. Can you help me find Tokyo Station? D. How can I get to Tokyo Station? So what's next, right? I will give you a hint here. I would say, sure, but let me Google it, please. And I would say blah blah blah. But for this video, this is it. And in my next videos, I will share phrases for giving directions. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this video helped you or will help you a lot. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye!